Alright, I am here to pick up this can. This is also the dumpster where I'll be getting one for free. And there's Mr. Dylan Dunn. Got him here picking up this can for me because it is a cable pool that we're going to have converted to hook. What up?
Found it.
You found it?
Yeah.
You can get it?
Yeah, I can get it. I'm going to go up there and turn around. I'm going to have to back in off that way.
Okay.
And back to it.
Okay.
Yeah, I guess I'm going to go southeast or northeast landfill. I think it's going to be my best place on the way to Keystone.
Alright, so he's going to go back in. I'm going to quick pick this one up. Alright, so again, I have one of my dumpsters here. I'm going to go ahead and load this one up. I'm going to walk back there with Dylan. So Dylan owns Rhino Solutions. He's got one heck of a truck. He's a great dude. Always willing to help. Alright, so the history on this property is apparently somebody passed away, and I believe the kids inherited the property. The dad supposedly bought this dumpster at an auction years and years and years ago, and never really I mean, they filled it up of course, but never really had it hauled off apparently. So he's got his rails up already and that cable on pretty quick. You see the door? Let me see. Yeah, is it I think it's latched, but make sure it should stay closed, I would imagine, right?
Oh yeah, I put that pin in there. So I pushed that pin's in there now.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Put that bungee on to hold the pin down. It's just kind of short. Yeah, get that pin in there.
Cool.
That one is behind the door, but I think I got enough slot here to be able to slide it out, so it should open.
Cool. All right.
Yeah, not too bad.
Not too bad. I mean, it looks fairly solid, right?
Yeah. And I saw there's like a little rust on the front, but the sides are all rusted. I'll get Bram to throw their latches on it.
Yeah.
I figured it was going to be all rusted out. Just if somebody's giving it away.
We'll find out how the bottom is, I guess, but it looks like it's fairly...
Yeah, still, they got to put a floor on it because they're a new dumpster.
Right. Oh, yeah, I see it.
That's just a little patch.
They said they bought it from or his dad bought it at some point from a city of an auction. Even though it had City of Garland stickers on it. Hopefully I ain't stealing nothing. Huh?
The ORR?
Yeah, I don't know what that is. Old company name or something?
Well, you sure it painted over ORR there.
Oh, yeah. Huh.
If I get arrested, you better bail me out.
I got you. So, is this how a 22-footer sits on your truck, or 20? Your dumpsters are what, 20 or 22?
22. Yeah, it's 22.
This is a 22?
Yeah.
This one seems even taller than my 40s.
This actually looks a little bit longer. A little bit. Might be that roller set. But no, yeah, they go right to the end of the rails. Okay. Because I've got, well, now they're covered up, but I have short stocks.
Yeah.
Like right in here for my 18s and 16s.
Okay.
And that's the one thing that's nice about the cable is I can follow everything. I mean,
right.
Like the Keystone 14-footers, I'll go pick them up with this.
Yep, yep.
So I'll probably always keep the cable truck for that, but the hooks sure would be nice.
Yeah, the rails look pretty damn solid too, man.
Yeah.
So I got this dumpster for free from a customer who we provided dumpsters for a home clean out. I believe the guy's father had passed away, or somebody had passed away, and they had his father, the guy's father had, or the previous homeowner had the dumpster on site, and they didn't have any way to get rid of it. So they asked me if I wanted it. Obviously it was not a hook lift at first, so I had Dylan Dunn with Rhino Solutions pick up the dumpster for me. He went and dumped it and took it to Keystone for me, which then Keystone went and put the hook, the A-frame on there for me, They refurbished it, they repainted it our colors, they did new hinges on the doors, so they fixed the doors. They basically rehabbed the entire thing, so now it's a functional dumpster. Right. I mean, mine's defective. I get it. One more time.
It's the secret of throwing straps over the container.
That's what it is.
It's a secret formula.
I wasn't going to tell him the secret until after I got lunch from him.
There's another side. I got to throw it all the way over there. You know I'm short.
Take a running start.
Hey! Yeah, he made it.
Did it make it all the way?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. All right. And after the work that they did, I'll probably get at least another 10 years out of this dumpster for free. Obviously, it cost me roughly about $1,500 to $2,000 to have it picked up, dumped, and delivered to Keystone, as well as paying Keystone to refurbish and add the hooklet for me. But I'll pay $1,500 to $2,000 for a, you know, $6,000 to $7,000 dumpster. I'll only rent this thing out a few times, and I'll make my money back. So, free dumpster, you can't beat that deal. As far as the flatbed's concerned, I did buy a flatbed for this truck. I felt like this truck needed the option. I have a flatbed for my smaller truck. This is a 20-foot flatbed, diamond plate with a 2-foot dovetail, so I can haul, you know, a bunch of equipment on here. So excited for that flatbed. And instead of making 2 trips out to Lone Star, we decided to stack it up. Still under 14 feet. It was actually right at 13 feet from the ground to the top of the dumpster. So I was legal. We made it safely back to the yard, and we're about to unload it.
Disclaimer. Sure, this dumpster looks like it went 12 rounds in a landfill brawl and came out a little rough around the edges. But don't let its rugged charm fool you. It may not be the heavyweight champ of the dumpster world, but it'll swallow your junk whole like a buffet. Tough over stylish folks.